Welcome. Today we will create a cute image pet trending AI image. Let's go! Open the Google search engine or the one of your choice, type Bing, image creator, and log in with your account. Write or paste the prompt that I left in the description, click on the Create button, and wait for the result. Leave me in the comments what you would like to create together. It gives us 4 results. The result varies according to the prompt. Ready! You can download for free the image I generate. Cool, right? Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.